guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be doing my mini twist. It's gonna take a minute and it's already super late. I'm probably gonna start on it tonight and then finish it up tomorrow, to be honest with y'all, because it's already midnight. But I do want to make them kind of small. Like, I've done mini twist and they just were not as small as I wanted them to be. So this time I'm gonna do them very small. Hopefully I don't get lazy and then they start looking thick. So I've already blown out my hair, as you can see. I blew it out, girl, probably about 2 hours ago. I didn't put any products on it. All I did was shampoo my hair. I didn't even deep condition. I don't like a lot of oils and stuff on my hair when I'm gonna blow it out, because I just feel like that just fries your hair with all that oil, honey. We be trying to cook with grease and stuff, girl. So when you're gonna add heat, just try to avoid as much oils as you can. So anyway, I shampooed. I have some heat protectant on there. So I'm only going to be using one product, and it is by Moisture Love, and this is their Moisture Style Cream. This is actually the cream that I used in my first mystery wash and go combo. So I'm going to be using this. I'm going to start from the back and work my way up. Now, once I get to the part where I'm going to part my hair, I'll let y'all know where I parted and all that good stuff. And I like to just put my hair up into like a puff or something, so that I can easily take additional hair out if I need to. I have the hair out in the back. I just did a nice little part. Y'all know I don't really care about my parts. However, I did just want that one to be nice and small. My hair a little skimpy in the back. Don't be talking about me, friend. Don't be talking about me. My hair doing a little struggle back here. However, the only thing we're gonna be doing is adding the cream to this, and you wanna get a cream or a butter or something that you really like. And I just wanted to try this one again. So you just want to make sure your hair is nicely moisturized. And then just gonna go in with my mini twist. All right, so one down, a whole lot to go. So I'm just gonna be doing this, y'all. Probably put me on a good movie. Girl, just get to working. Keep working.
Like that. Check it. Look, warm breath on a cold night. Echoes in my soul like hold tight. A little closer, your dream not far. Door of opportunity, I'm knocking. Like, when you gonna let a lad in? Not your fault. Guess I gotta wait. Still gotta pay dues. Life a movie, take two. Yeah, destiny, I gotta see your face. So I paint in my secret base with some anime in the background, soundtrack for the dreams. I get lost in the scenes. Tired of my kings and my queens failing. Walking outside, chemicals inhaling. Feeling like we trailing behind. Though we work the hardest, chronicles of a starving artist. Yeah, but we knew this before we signed up. Hard work, dedication. Never compromise your creation. Aim for the stars, elevation. Know it's gonna take a lot of patience. Yeah, every song full of light and love. Cause life is up. Somebody gotta rise above and beyond. Every day is a gift. I give my life through these sounds. There's more to life than existing. Been wishing on a dream, dubious to obtain, but hope is all that we know. That's all that we know. Never stop believing, those are words that live by. I know you're working from 9 to 5 and just trying to get by. To get the sky ain't the limit, genuine dreamers explore. Simply for the allure, all for the allure. Yeah, don't worry, me and more, no me and more, me and more. We gon' get a slice of life, no matter fact 3 or 4. There just gotta be more to living than labor reward. We offer hope to the globe. Then after we go to get inspired in our secret place. Inside these dreams, that's our secret.
Alright, you guys, so I am done with my mini twist for now. I actually haven't curled the ends yet, but I did go ahead and twist them, and I am tired, okay? It is 4 o'clock in the morning. Wow, did not know that. Just finished, so I'm gonna give you guys a 360, show you what it looked like. Y'all, I literally put on a movie and just started watching it because that's the only way I could get through this. I do like my twist. So what I want to do now, because I like for my twist to all mold perfectly, because I did add the cream to like my roots and stuff. I don't want them to poof up or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my scarf just over the top. This scarf is dirty, but oh well, girl, it's always dirty. So I just tie my scarf on like this. All right, so this is how I sleep in the twist. Just let the twist hang out the back, and I just wrap up my edges and stuff. You can still put a bonnet on if you like. I may put a bonnet on, but I have a satin pillowcase, so I'm good to go. But like I said, tomorrow I'm gonna come back, curl my ends, and then we're gonna be done, friend. Super easy, not quick, but super easy to do. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm tired, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, so this is the next day. Well, actually, it's not the next day. It's the day after that. Just because I didn't come back. I'm sorry. But I'm here now, and I did wrap my hair last night, so I'm gonna show you guys what I do next, because the ends are still like, you know, not tip-top shape. So I'm gonna take this off, friend. So what I did was I wanted my part to be a little bit deeper on this side, so I took these twists and I went ahead and wrapped it last night so that they mold to go this way. I had some bobby pins in it too. As you can see, it's pretty molded to go where I want it to go, which is why I do like mini twists, because it'll take the shape of however you wrap it. But I just like to keep this side, you know, tucked behind my ear, and the rest of it on this side. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, these are my ends. They're not that bad because I was trying to coil some of them at the ends, but as you can see, some of them are still straight like that. So what you want to do is honestly go through all of them. You could have done it while you were doing the twist, but girl, T-boo boo kitty, I was not feeling like doing all that. I was already over twisted in the first place. So adding water and twirling the ends was not in the play. I'm just gonna take a scrunchie and put the rest of my twist up. So this way I could just pull twist out as I go and do the ends until they're all done. So all I'm doing is looking at that end, spraying a little water just to get it a little wet. And then I'm adding a little gel to my fingertips, and then I'm gonna coil the end. Just like that. And it'll curl up nicely as opposed to being all like frizzy, weird like that. So just gonna do that. Now, I did braids back in like 2018. Yeah, 2018 I did braids like this. I've done a twist like this too. However, just gonna go ahead and coil all of these, which will take time, but it has a nice polished look. So I'm gonna do my whole head and then come back and we're gonna be done. All right, y'all, so I've done all of my twists. So this is what it looked like. Look at my hair, look at the length, you guys. So I did want to let y'all know I did try mini twists on wet hair before I did this, and I'm gonna put a clip in here so that you guys can see that, like, even though I did do that, I just wasn't feeling the look. They were very shrunken. Since they're so wet, they get super fat, so it just looks like you're about to do a twist out and not mini twist. So if you do want to do mini twist, you have to start off on stretched hair if you want to get the most length and you want it to just be real mini twists, because it don't matter how little they are. When you have them wet, they still gonna swell up. Trust and believe, sis, I know. So yeah, y'all, so this is the final look, and I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to see more protective styles, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, I will also add where I did the braids below. They weren't mini braids, but they were pretty tiny, okay? It took me some time. I wouldn't say they was as tiny as I could have gotten them, but honey, they was tiny enough. They was tiny enough. So go ahead and check that video out. It is old, but just check it out, friend. However, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.
That's all we know. Never stop believing.